All right, guys. Hello. We're going to get started on grammar today. We just finished up Unit 1, so we're on to Unit 2. So if you'll grab your grammar notebook, we're going to be writing some notes down in there, and we're going to be watching our slideshow. So let me get that pulled up. All right. So our first slide says, what is a noun? Give your partner some examples of nouns. So if there's someone near you, give them some examples of nouns. Remember, it could be a person, it could be a place, it could be a thing. There are two types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns, that's going to mean, regular nouns. Proper nouns are going to refer to names. A common noun names any person, place, or thing. Whisper to your partner to tell them what a common noun is. So we're going to open up in our book, go to grammar. We're going to go past Unit 1 review. And on the back of Unit 1 review, we're going to write down a common noun names any person, place, or thing. You don't need to whisper to your partner because we're just getting started on this. So a common noun names any person, place, or thing. All right. If you need more time, go ahead and push pause in the video and get your stuff written down in your book. All right. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. So a common noun would be, there's a girl. A specific noun would be Madison. She's a girl. So that's giving us a specific girl, and it has her name, so her name is going to be capitalized. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. So let's copy that down. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Okay. Go ahead and make sure you get that written down. Hit pause if you need to. All right, so it says, for example, a common noun might be restaurant, but a proper noun is McDonald's. It's giving us a specific restaurant. The next one is boy. It could be any boy, but a proper noun gives us their name, Samuel. So that's their capitalized letter, that's their proper noun. Team, it could be any team, but if you say the Yankees, that's a specific team. Did you notice anything different about the first letters of the proper nouns? So let's look on the common nouns, lowercase r, lowercase b, lowercase t, restaurant, boy, team. On the proper noun side, we have capital M, capital S, capital Y. Capital M, McDonald's, capital S, Samuel, capital Y, Yankees. All right, did you notice anything different about the first letters? They were capitalized. All right, so we're going to write this down. The first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. The first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. Okay, the first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. All right, pause if you need to. For example, I think we just already did this one. Okay, there we go. Let's practice. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create this graph. We're going to draw this very same graph at the bottom. So we have common noun on one side, and on the other side we have proper noun. Okay. I'm drawing this chart just like I see it. All right, so number one has planet. Take your time with the lines because it can get a little confusing. Okay, go ahead and get all that copied down. I'm going to be showing mine at the end. All right, I'm going to change it. So if you need to pause it real quick, go ahead and pause it. Okay. So the next question says, are the nouns common or proper? So we're going to look at the first sentence. I liked the movie Beauty and the Beast. Are the nouns common or proper? So movie. That's a common noun. Beauty and the Beast, capitalized letters. Yes, that one's popular. Proper, excuse me. Popular. Proper. Number two, she bought a Snickers at the store. The name of the candy bar is Snickers, so that is a proper noun. Store is just a common noun. It didn't tell us which store. And then the last one, cats are my favorite animal. Cats is capitalized because it's at the beginning of a sentence, but does the word cats need to be? They don't necessarily have to be capitalized because cats is a common name, but they're my favorite animal, which is common animal. All right. Explain the differences between common and proper nouns. All right. So if we're talking, a common noun names any person, place, or thing, any of them. And a proper noun only names specific persons, places, or things. A specific one. That's the big difference. Common is any and proper is specific. All right, so let's go to my screen so you can see, or the camera, I should say. All right. So a common noun names any person, place, or thing. Make sure you have that written down. And then a proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. It's specific. And this is any. Okay, the first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized, no matter where it is in the sentence. All right, so this is a little graph that we were working on. Oopsie, not real fancy. I just drew right through there. All right, so a planet is a common noun. So what could we give a proper noun? How about Jupiter? California is the proper noun for what? What is California? It's a state. We're in the state of Idaho. That is the state of California. The next one is holiday. We're going to write down a holiday we like. So Christmas is just capitalized. Okay. Pepsi is a type of soda or pop, depending on what you call it. Teacher could be Mrs. Martinez, Mrs. M. And a golden retriever is, what is it commonly called? It's called a dog. All right, get that written down. Okay. All right, if you need more time than that, go ahead and press pause. At the bottom, I was going to say common. One word you can remember is any, and proper is one specific person, place, or thing. Okay, so they're both person, places, or things. One is just any of them, and the proper is specific ones. So like your name, or business names, or days of the week, or months of the year. Those are a specific name for those times. All right, guys, if you need a little bit of time to get this done, here you go. Here's the whole page. It's on the back of our Unit 1 paper. And so starting at the top, we'll let you guys go ahead and press pause now, and then come back. Okay. All right, guys, so that's it for our grammar lesson today. I'm going to head over to our reading interactive notebook lesson. So if you could keep out your grammar notebook, because reading is in the back, keep out your grammar notebook and flip to reading. We're going to get started on our next context clues activity. All right, guys, I will see you there.